Welcome to iDcrm demo for the new version. What I want to tell you is that we've created a new version of iDcrm which is available on the App Store today, and the key feature we've added is the so-called silent sync. One of the complaints we had is that you have to manually sync all the time, so we've made some changes there. When you install iDcrm, you do your initial sync, which is still the same way as it used to be, but you'll actually see that on the setup we've added two options. We've added the silent sync, which I'm going to switch on for this demo, and you can also choose to do the sync every time you start up iDcrm. This sync we're talking about here only syncs the data, does not sync the design, and that's why it's a lot quicker than the old sync we had, which did both. We still have the old sync because you need to, once in a while, also sync the design of your Microsoft CRM. So to show you how it works, I've switched on the silent sync to yes. Going back to my home page, I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going into ABC Communication on Microsoft CRM, and I'm just going to make a simple change because ABC Communications is not in Oxford, but they are in London. Don't like typos. London, save and close. So that means there is a change in my CRM, still waiting for my iPhone. In the meantime, I'm going to do something totally different on my iPhone because I'm going to add an activity because I want to make an appointment regarding demo silent sync. The location will be here in Barendrecht. Done. Regarding, I'm just going to do the same account just to make it easier. And I'm actually going to save this new appointment. Now this save will actually trigger the start of the sync. So I'm going to click on save. It's been created. I can continue working in iDcrm. I can look at something, and here I get the message sync is finished. So if I go back to home, I look at my accounts and I see that ABC Communication is now in London. So it's taken over the change in my CRM back to my iPhone. If I go into Microsoft CRM, go into the ABC Communication Company, look at the activities, and you will see the demo silent sync is in there and was made today. I already did one this morning, so that's why there's two. You can see the date time is different. And that is how easy it works. Now if I go back into information, I'm going to change London back to Oxford. Just going to do a save and close, and I'm going to change the setup to say sync at startup. Okay, leave the application, start iDcrm. I can start working straight away, but in the background it will actually be syncing. So while I'm working, and then now I know it's finished. So that would actually mean that if I go into my accounts, I look at ABC, where you can actually see it in the view, it's already back to Oxford where it was London before. So that is how quickly the new sync is, because it only syncs the data and nothing else. So I'm really happy with this new version. I hope it's going to help you use iDcrm in an even more efficient way. Thank you.